In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an EMA on Webull. Whether you're using the Webull app or the desktop platform, the process is straightforward and quick. Let's start by opening the Webull application or accessing the desktop platform. Once you're in, select the stock, ETF, crypto, or any other asset you wish to analyze. This is where we'll be adding our Exponential Moving Average or EMA. Now, with your asset of choice open, it's time to open the chart for that specific asset. Here, you'll want to decide on the time frame that best suits your analysis needs. Webull offers various options, such as 1 minute, 1 hour, daily, or even weekly intervals. Choose the one that aligns with your trading strategy or analysis goals. Next, we need to find the indicators menu. On the desktop platform, you'll typically find this menu near the top of the chart. If you're using the mobile app, it might appear near the bottom or along the side of the screen. Once you locate it, go ahead and open the indicators list. Here, you'll search for EMA. Remember, EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average, and it's important to select EMA instead of SMA, which is a simple moving average. The EMA is particularly useful because it reacts more quickly to recent price changes, providing a more dynamic view of market trends. After selecting EMA, the next step is to choose the period or length for your EMA. Different settings can provide insights into various market conditions. For instance, a 9-period EMA might be used for short-term momentum analysis, a 20-period EMA for general trend insights, and a 50-period EMA for observing longer-term trends. Select the period that best matches your analysis needs. Once you've set your desired period, simply tap Apply or Done. This action will instantly add the EMA line to your chart, giving you a clearer view of the asset's price movements and potential trends. It's a powerful tool for traders looking to identify momentum and direction. Finally, remember that you can always return to the indicator settings at any time. This flexibility allows you to adjust the EMA length, change the color for better visibility, or even toggle its visibility on the chart based on your preferences. And that's how to add an EMA on Webull. With these steps, you can enhance your technical analysis and make more informed trading decisions.